The 1988 Liebherr, once a titan of the construction world, is slowly being reclaimed by the deep.
All right, easy now. Bring her down another meter. Watch the starboard side clearance.
Copy that. Steady as she goes. Preparing for final set down.
Look at the stress fractures around the hinge assembly.
Documenting now. Priority 1 for structural repair.
All right, team, maintain slow speed on the main drive.
Copy that. Watching the rear clearance now.
Suspension leveling on axle group 3. All right, keep it slow and steady. Watch that support beam on the right. Copy that. Coming in slow.
All right, I got the last bolt, ready to pull this section. Careful, there's a lot of rust coming down.
Look at the corrosion on that support member right there. All right, easy on the left side. Watch the ducting.
Got it.
Got it. Coming down slowly. Clear on the right. Easy now, keep it steady through that opening.
I gotcha.
It's catching right here. I'm cutting this last tie. Pull it clear.
This stress point needs reinforcement. I'm marking it now. I've documented the corrosion on that fastener.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch the hydraulics. Did you log the abrasion marks on section 3?
Yes, and I just photographed the chipped coating on the guide rail.
Look at the state of the intake plumbing. It's completely oxidized. Got it. Also noting extensive wear and corrosion on the cooling lines and brackets. Okay, easy now. Watch the hydraulic lines. Clear on the left. Bring it down another foot.
Slow down the feed rate slightly. Copy that. Maintaining tension. Look at the corrosion on this axle housing. I'm documenting it now. This suspension joint shows significant stress. We should prioritize replacement.
Hold position on the main lift. Coming down 5 millimeters, check alignment right side.
Slow down the main hoist. Copy that, slowing, we're clear on the left side. A little drift to the right, watch the hydraulics. Hold it steady. Does the alignment look flush on your side?
Just a fraction lower. Perfect.
Aligning the holes now.
Okay, inserting the pin. Make sure it seats correctly.
It's secure. Tap it down.
Guide it through the upper sheave.
Watch the alignment on roller 3.
Pressure holding steady at 250 bar. Fluid temperature is nominal. Looks like a successful test. Headlights and markers are fully energized. Confirmed. Dash illumination is steady across all gauges. Check the pressure gauge on panel 4. Reading steady. Looks good. Extension is complete.